Presenting Cesar Milan.
Hello to another episode of The Dog Whisperer. When handling a dog, one must always memorize three important things. See the dog behind me? First, you make the dog feel that they are an important member and contributor to your pack. Number one, how do you do that? You let the dog exercise. Always take the dog on long walks every day. Number two, discipline. You have to establish that you are the pack leader and that you are not the servant of the dog. And number three, the biggest mistake of all dog owners is that they show too much emotion. Remember, a dog is a dog. You do not treat a dog as a human. That is all.
Panalo!